So you're at the point where you've got Mautic installed and configured and you're ready to go. I didn't go through and configure this yet. I might still, but I'm going to install the tracking portion now anyways. So that we can kind of talk about Mautic such as it is. So there are no cron jobs and the full configuration is not complete, but it's complete enough that I can start interacting with the website, and we could, in theory, collect leads, which is what we're going to do. So I'm going to turn on all of these. I will often anonymize the IP. I'm not going to this time because I want to show you what it does. If you have a Facebook pixel already created in a Google Analytics ID, all you have to do is put them in and turn these on, and then the actual clip here, like script here, will give you the rest. So I sometimes will actually just use the script on my sites. If you're running Generate Press Premium, which clearly I haven't installed the plugin yet. I have not. So it's still running 1929 or 2019. You can just install this code directly. And you should be running a child theme anyways, which I'll show you in the future. But with Mautic and WordPress, you can also get away with using their plugin. This is WP Mautic by the Mautic community. It's untested with version 5. Now version 5 just came out. We're in 5.0.2, right? I'm sure that it works just fine. I don't know if there's any better. I'm going to install and activate this. And I'm going to click Settings. All you're looking for is that. You have some options here. By default, it puts it in the WP header. I think you'll have a more responsive site if you use the WP footer. And it's closer to where Mautic itself tells you where to put it. So I'm going to do that. Now, Mautic, because I'm logged into the Mautic console and into this site, will not track me currently. So I shouldn't end up with an anonymized contact from this. So just to make sure that that is in, it's functioning the way I expect that it is, I'm going to create a new incognito window. I don't want to go to the Mautic install. And so here we are, we're on the root of that site. And if I open anonymous, that is my IP. And then here's the time that it tracked. I have not set the time in the configuration yet on this site, so it's tracking just at GMT, which is completely acceptable. So that's how you install the tracking. And so now that you've seen me get to there, if I click here, it'll show all the things I did. And it was good that I kind of bounced around a little bit, because I went to here. That page hit turns into a page not found, because obviously it's 404 because I don't have a blog post named /s/login. And then I hit the home page. And so it's already starting to track who this person is as best it can. I can write notes on like this IP address right now. And if I'd anonymize that, it would actually have taken out the last portion here, so this would have just been stars. And so that's how you put the tracking code into WordPress using the plugin. You can also, like I said, with the standard theme that I run GeneratePress Premium because I think it's lightweight and it's really good. One of the options that I have then is to take and I can just paste their code snippet in. What I like about that is it isn't dependent on a plugin staying safe. It's just a little bit tighter. But me and several of the people I've worked with Mautic on have debated this at length, and I don't know that there's a right or a wrong way, but the best practice we've decided on is the plugin because people can easily recognize the plugin and find it. Whereas when you start to put it in special custom spots that are theme dependent, or you lose the ability to audit it quickly. Whereas right now, if I go to settings and see, oh, WP Mautic's here, I can go check, oh yeah, it's working. So that's why I'd install it this way. Thank you for following along in this video. And in the next video, I'm going to go over contacts a little bit more.